I am Bhupinder Kaur, biology lecturer from Government Model School, Phase 3B1 Mohali. Dear students, today we will be performing experiment on plasmolysis. What is plasmolysis? Plasmolysis is a process of loss of water when an intact plant cell is placed in a hypertonic solution. This is the structure of a normal cell. Here we can see that the protoplast is intact. It is completely lined with the cell wall. If this normal plant cell is placed in a hypertonic solution, now what will happen? Water will start moving outward. And the protoplasm, which is intact in case of normal cell, it will get shrinked. So this process of shrinkage of protoplasm when a plant cell is placed in hypertonic solution is known as plasmolysis. For the above experiments, we need following requirements. First requirement is Predescantia leaf. Students, why we are selecting Predescantia leaf? Because its epidermal cells, they are colored. For this experiment, we can also use onion peel, but if we will use onion peel, we will require stain. But with the use of Predescantia, there is no requirement of stain. Second requirement is filter paper, needle, forceps, dropper, glass slides, cover slips and 10% NaCl solution. Students, for performing this experiment, as I have told you earlier, we will require Predescantia leaf. You can clearly see that its epidermal cells, they are colored. The lower epidermal cells, they are more colored. So we will need the peel of epidermal cells. So how we will perform this experiment? We will cut this leaf in this way and we will take out its peel. Come close. So we have taken out the peel of lower epidermal peel of Predescantia. Now we will take a small piece of it with the help of forceps. And we will put it over the glass slide. Like this. After putting it over the glass slide, what we will do, we will pour 10% NaCl solution. Students, 10% NaCl solution is a hypertonic solution because 0.9% NaCl is isotonic with the plant cell sap. But we have prepared 10% NaCl solution and this 10% NaCl solution is hypertonic. Now what we will do, we will put 1 or 2 drops of this NaCl solution over the epidermal peel. After this, we will cover this peel with the help of cover slip. Precautions should be taken that there should be no formation of air bubble in it. So we have put cover slip over the epidermal peel of Predescantia on which we have put 10% NaCl solution. Now we will watch this slide under the compound microscope. We have the facility of projector microscope, so I will show you the above slide on the projector microscope. Before seeing this slide over the microscope, we will dry it completely with the help of filter paper. Students, this is a projector microscope. First, we will watch a normal plant cell, that is Predescantia peel placed in normal water. You can see here that in case of Predescantia, the protoplast is colored. It is purple in color, and when we have placed the Tradescantia peel in normal water, what we are seeing here that the protoplast is intact. It is completely touching the cell wall of the Tradescantia cells. Now when we will put NaCl solution, that is hypertonic solution, over this Tradescantia peel, what will happen? Water will start moving outward by the process of exoosmosis, and there will be shrinkage of protoplasm. Students, this is the structure of a plasmolized cells. You can see here clearly on the projector microscope that the protoplasm, it has shrinked. It has completely separated out itself from the cell wall, and it has collected at one point. Here we can see two cells. In this above cell also the protoplasm, it has shrinked, and in the lowermost cell also the protoplasm has shrinked. Why it has shrinked? Because the plant cell, it has lost water by the process of exoosmosis. So this process of shrinkage of protoplasm when a plant cell is placed in a hypertonic solution is known as plasmolysis. I hope students this experiment is very well understood by you, and you all will perform this experiment in your laboratories.